Hi class, today I'm going to go over some of the drawing tools that you will need to complete our Nearpod lesson today. So as we reviewed yesterday and actually applied this, you're going to head to our classroom. You are going to click on the Nearpod announcement and it will bring you back up to the stopping point that we were at yesterday. Today one of the slides is going to ask us to create a Venn diagram on the similarities and differences on in-person bullying and cyberbullying. To do this, you're going to need to know how to use the text box. So down here, I click the T. I can adjust the font as necessary. Scoot up just a little bit. I can change the color of it. I'm going to come over and I am going to type my message. So I'm going to say both types of bullying feel awful. I'm putting that in caps because that really proves my point, I hope. I can then grab my text box, scoot it over, and just like an image in Word or Google Docs, I can drag it around and change the size of it, move it where I want to. Also notice there's a trash can there, so if I didn't like it, I could click the delete, the trash button, and it will go away. But I like it, so I'm going to keep it. So now, note that up here I put some dots, and that is the default. It will automatically go to the pen. So you want to make sure that you don't click unknowingly, but if you do, you can come select the eraser on the end, change the size of it, and then quickly erase the extra marks that you made. But what we are going to use in addition to the text box is the image insert. So I'm going to click that. And I could browse my files on my drive, but I don't want to do that today. I want to look for Google Images. And I am going to type in bullying. I am going to find a picture. I'm going to pick it. It will automatically move it there. And just like before, I can grab the corners and I can make it smaller, I can make it larger, and I can move it to where I want to. If I don't like it, I can delete it. And then I am going to search for another image and kind of go through the same thing. I think this would be a good example of cyberbullying. So I want to grab the corners and I want to move it over into this side of the Venn diagram. If you want to type additional text, you may. If you want to attempt drawing, you can with a pen, but that is not necessary. Once you have the required examples, and I'll tell you the number today in class, you're going to push send. If you did not like it, you can, or what you did last, you have a back button, and you also have a completely erase my slide button. So I click that, and it says, are you sure you want to erase this drawing? So I hope that is helpful in helping you to navigate Nearpod today.